Hello everyone, Steve Tristan here with Steve Tristan's Best. So today I'd like to show you how to navigate to the bestcustomscreens.com website and place an order for an economy sliding screen door at the size of 36 by 94. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. But before we get started, do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and select alert notification so that way you can be alerted to any new videos we have coming out. Okay, guys, so let's get started. Okay, so first off, I'm going to move this down a little bit here on the left-hand side. Okay, and then so we're just going to go to the website, bestcustomscreens.com. There we go. Okay, and then so for me, the easiest way to find any products is through the navigation here. So what you can do is go to products and hover over a sliding screen doors, and then you have some selections here on the right: replacement sliding screen doors, patio screen door, heavy duty sliding screen door kits, and double sliding screen doors. So these are all sliding screen doors. Today we're looking at an economy sliding screen door and at the size 36 by 94. Now if you had a 36 by 95 and a half or 93 and a half or something like that, it's the same product. It's just the 94-inch height is the most common size, and so we kept that on the title, just so that we could identify all the different economies that are shown by size there. Okay. Okay, so 36 by 94, I'm clicking that, and it shows you the product here: 36 by 94 economy sliding screen door, custom made, fully assembled. Get your fully assembled door. It ships nationwide. Perfect for any home. All the colors available. Standard fiberglass screening or pet screen. You can add that, or you can get plastic wheels or add metal wheels. Definitely recommend using metal wheels. Metal wheels are going to last you many years more than plastic. Okay, so to get an order placed, first off, let's look at the options here. You have the customized height, screening options, frame color, and then down here the rollers or the wheels. But if you notice, there's no width. Well, on the 36 by 94, the 36-inch width is the only width available for this product. It's because of price. To be able to give you the very best price for this product, we standardized it to the one standard width. Now there are other widths available. There are two other widths. It's a different product though, so you have a 30-inch as well as a 48-inch on the economy. Okay, and then there's also two other heights for all three of those. Okay, basic heights, height ranges in a sense. So like this one here, the customized height ranges from 93 to 95 inches. So we're just going to go ahead and just say, you know what, it's a 93 3/4 is the screen door frame measurement. Okay, there's a whole page on instructions on how to measure and what measurement we require for a sliding screen door. Okay, and then you can select your screening options, which you have the two selections here. You have standard fiberglass charcoal or the pet screen. Pet screen adds an additional $50. That's if you have a dog or even any person who might think about trying to walk through your door or just be rough on it. So it actually strengthens your door a little bit. It strengthens your frame, helps it make it a little stronger. But I highly recommend, if you were thinking about strength, to upgrade to the heavy duty sliding screen door. But if cost is the best thing that you're looking for, then this is the product for you, is the economy. Okay, so I'm going to select the standard fiberglass charcoal, and then frame color. It could be, most people buy white, some put white, and then scroll down a little, and then we're going to put metal wheels on it. So upgrade to metal wheels, and that takes that price to $234.99. Okay, and I'm going to add this to cart. Now before I do that, if you scroll down, you have everything you need to know about the product down here, as well as the how-to instructions are also on this page. Okay, so you have how to measure, how to install, etc. Okay, and go back back up. Let's add this to the cart. Okay, once you're at the cart, you're here, and you make sure right here you see where it says shipping to. Now that's the address. I kind of pre-filled the form out so that way it's for sake of time. Make sure that you change the address and put your address there, or at least your city, state, and zip, because it'll adjust the shipping. For example, if you were in Florida, for example, this price of $55 for the flat rate shipping would be freight shipping, which would be $601. So it's very expensive to ship to the East Coast, even from Dallas, Texas. FYI, we have 3 shipping locations we ship from: Las Vegas, Los Angeles, and Dallas. Closest to the East Coast is Dallas. It's still expensive to ship, though, because these things are fully assembled. They're huge. They are not able to ship UPS or FedEx Ground. Okay. Now, if you had a coupon code, it'd go here. We did have one. I don't know if it's going to work with me logged in. Let's see. Welcome 2024. Nope. Yeah, the coupon reaches limits because you only allowed 1 coupon code per login. But I see I'm logged in, so I've already used the coupon code. Okay. So that coupon code would work though. So I'll put it here again. At least I think it's going to last at least most of 2024. But it's for your first time order. Welcome 2024. So welcome 2024. So that coupon code will give you a 10% discount off your order, okay? Okay, so I'm going to proceed to checkout. And if you look, you have options on shipping. There's a $55 rate. There's local pickup in Las Vegas, because this location I put in is in Las Vegas, or this option actually has free shipping. It does state here, beware, not including rural areas. So if you're in the desert, up in the mountains in Sequoia or something like that, we may not be able to deliver this big old screen door up there. So it's all based on the shipping companies. It has nothing to do with us. So if it's in a rural area, you really need to try to get it delivered someplace close that's not a rural area that you can pick it up there, okay? Okay, so I'm going to proceed to checkout. Okay, so I'm going to proceed to checkout here and scroll down, and I already kind of filled in my name, and I put this wonderful address of 100 Steve Drive, which was where my 10,000 square foot mansion is in my dreams. And then Las Vegas, Nevada, 89. So you just typical drop down, you fill it out. It could either be 89103, it's another zip code in Las Vegas. And then, if you have the same delivery address as your credit card, this would be your billing information. So it'd be your credit card address. So if you needed to ship it to, let's say, a rental or something like that, and put a different address, let's say, I don't know, maybe it's 1234 Las Vegas Boulevard. If that was the case, then you would put that there as a ship to, and then maybe your handyman's name is Roberto Maya, and then he works for Bit Las Vegas. You put that there, and then and then if you had any notes, say you had a gate code or something at your property, so you could put it here, gate code 1234 something like 45, something like that. Okay, and then you could pay with PayPal. This option here would take you to a secure checkout away from our website, and our site is completely secure as well, but some people prefer to use PayPal, like direct. So if you did that, you would be required to click this down here. I have read and agreed the website's terms and conditions, and there's a link there if you want to read through all that legal information. And I'm responsible for my own measurements, so in other words, you measure it, you bought it, it's custom made. Kind of like how you break it, you bought it in the store. I remember when I was a kid, my mom used to tell me that you broke it, you bought it. So no worries though on the sizing. If you have any issues, we're here to help you. Okay, so I clicked that. I want to proceed to PayPal on this option. just to show you what it looks like. Okay. Okay, guys, so it takes you to a PayPal account, and you could put your email or phone number here if you have a PayPal account. Okay, you could pay with PayPal or credit card that way through the secure checkout. Now, if you wanted to just pay with a debit card and still have it on the PayPal platform, it's still going to ask you for an email, just so that way you will get a confirmation, and then you will continue to payment. And all you do is you put in your credit card. I don't want to go any further. I mean, you guys know how to enter credit cards, I hope. It should be pretty easy. And then if you go back here, it took me back. Okay, and I'm still here in the same place. Everything looks good. And you could also click quote only, and you actually could send us a check, and you would mail the check here. And then if you just wanted to pay with PayPal without any credit cards or whatnot, and even Venmo, you can Venmo us here. You see that? Okay. But here's the best one I like here. It's like pay with a debit or a credit card. It doesn't show anything yet. You need to click, well, you could click this one. This is cool because you could, after we're done, you could write a review for us right on our website. So I'm going to click that, and that actually, it just sends you an email. You click on it, and it will send you information on how to review our company quickly. It takes like less than a minute to review. And then, okay, so anyhow, down below here, it says I have read and agreed, all the terms and all that. And then you can click debit or credit, and it pops up here. So you click there, and you put your credit card information in, and you pay now, and then you place an order. When you place your order, it'll give you confirmation on the screen coming back up. I can't really show you now on that because obviously I'm not really placing an order. I'm not paying with a credit card. But what I will do, I will show you how the confirmation looks with a quote. Okay, so I'm going to place the order with a quote. And let's place the order. And then it shows you an order number and the date and all that up here, the email. And it also would have emailed me a confirmation of the order and a copy of the invoice, okay? So guys, that's how you place an order for a 36 by 94 economy sliding screen door, okay? Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and God bless. See ya.